What's up guys, it's Brandon Carey. Today I have got a new diffuser for the still broken G35, but as you can see it is carbon fiber. It looks pretty sick, pretty ricer boy. It's kind of just an add-on, so we're not really losing any weight. I just think it looks cool. Go ahead and roast me if you want, I don't care, but here it is, and then looks all neat, nice, pretty. Today we're gonna be putting it on. It's probably still gonna be a few months before I get the new engine for the G35, and then we're probably gonna build it up, the whole works. But it's gonna take a little bit of time, guys, so I'm just gonna ask you to be patient. I know it's probably like annoying to see or hear me bitch about it, but I'm sorry, you know. It'll be running eventually, I promise. But today we're just doing this, so we'll go ahead and get down there and start lining this thing up and start drilling some holes. I'll catch you guys then. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and have David get under there and kind of hold it up while I line all the edges up, and then I'm gonna start drilling into a couple different points on the bottom. There's a couple spots up here to drill, and I thought it would line up with the license plate, but unfortunately it doesn't. I think you're just supposed to drill into the plastic piece behind the license plate for that part. But yeah, that's kind of unfortunate. So it's not going to be completely attached, but also it doesn't really matter right now because even if it were completely attached, not really much I can do. So I'll just come back with some extra hardware next time I come to visit the car, which is a lot. Every time I'm feeling really sad. So yeah, I'll fix it later. But for right now, we're just gonna probably do these 4 holes. Maybe this one center one. I don't know if I can pull that off, maybe. But yeah, it should look pretty nice. I'm really excited. This kind of portion looks kind of bare right now, so it's gonna look real good. David, if you want to go ahead and get under there and kind of hold it up.
It's boy under here.
What we do here is go back.
Well guys, we just finally finished getting this diffuser on there. It looks a little something like this. Fitment's kind of sucky. So the fitment's kind of really sucky, but we're gonna try to work on it, I guess. Right now it's not that big of an issue because the car is still sitting in a parking lot, but as you guys can see, and I think I'm gonna have to re-drill all the holes because of him.
Not me.
Because it's all his fault.
It's not my fault.
It's all his fault.
Nuh-uh.
This guy just got a major speeding ticket too.
Didn't happen. I don't know what it's like.
Didn't happen for legal purposes, possibly. Anyways, that's about it for today, guys. The Infinity's looking all dirty and crusty.
We're gonna fix this.
Oh man, that's depressing. Well, hopefully it won't have to sit here too much longer, even though it will. Hope you guys have a nice day. Hope you guys enjoyed this very short video. I'm sure it was very short because it's really hot outside, and I don't know, it's kind of a pain to film everything. I'm sorry, I'm whiny a lot. Whiny about everything. I'm whining about the weather, I'm whining about the car. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like the diffuser. Hope you don't hate me too much for putting it on wrong because it looks kind of dumb right now. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out and bye.
Oh.